This is a 1991 Mazda B2200, complete frame-off restoration. So what was done to this vehicle? I'm going to tell you. On the engine, it has the original engine. It has a new timing belt water pump, tensioner and idler, new carburetor, along with plugs, wires, and O2 sensors, all new vacuum lines, a new radiator and thermostat, new valve cover gaskets, the alternator, battery, and ignition switch are new, along with it has brand new AC. It did not come with factory AC. We added AC, which I'll show you how that works in a second. While we had the engine out, we did a new clutch, new throwout bearing, pressure plate, slave cylinder, and reservoir, along with the brand new rear main seal. The suspension, the entire suspension is new. Front and rear shocks, upper and lower ball joints, inner and outer tie rods, idler arm, pitman arm, sway bar links, and alignment, along with new brake pads and rotors with brand new tires. As far as the fuel, it has a new fuel pump, sending unit, fuel filter, and fuel lines. The vehicle is running. We tried to keep this as authentic as possible, but we added a few touches. We rhino lined the front bumper and grille. We painted the emblem blue. We also kept the original wheels, but we powder coated them and added the original color accents to them, if you can see. We painted the Mazda emblems blue on the mirrors. We also rhino lined the ventlet louvers, and it has a sprayed bed liner. This is a completely rust-free vehicle. There's tons of pictures on our website showing you the underneath. The interior is absolutely in great condition. We didn't have to do much to the interior. Headliner's perfect. Original seats. 5-speed manual transmission. Here is the on and off switch for the AC. Right now it's on. You switch it to off and on. AC, it has ice cold AC. We kept the original radio, which is funny. 96,000 miles. Here's a complete list of everything that was done to the truck, and along with the Carfax report. No cracked dash. Basically, this is a brand new truck. We did everything we possibly could do to this truck. When you buy this thing, you will not need to do a thing mechanically or cosmetically. This is a one-of-a-kind, completely restored Mazda B2200 with rust-free, unbelievable condition. It needs nothing. One of a kind.